Alright, good morning everybody, welcome back to another video. We are fishing a tournament this morning over in Deer Creek. Got all the rods ready. Bringing the old tenor out since it's only a 12 volt electric trolling motor tournament only. Kinda sucks, you got the motor hung up over there. And we're gonna see what we can do against these little kids. Should be fun. Alright, good morning everybody. We got a full boat. We were in Long Point last you saw us. Now we're out here. Deer Creek getting ready for the tournament. Rigging rod. We got about 12 rods in here. Boys all ready. We got the motor on the back. Trolling motor on the front with a fish finder. We're gonna do good today. Boys all ready to go. Motor's fired on. I'll put this one down. We're good to go. Gotcha.
So what?
All right, guys, we're out here. We're out here fishing Deer Creek. We got the boys in the back.
Hell yeah. Watch the motor. Watch the motor.
Oh my God, you're an idiot. Anyways. No. Jacob literally just lost one. I'm on my first, very little, very little Deer Creek large insket release. Yeah, Jacob, catch some more. Haley throwing the spinnerbait, fishing the coves.
That day they could have won the tournament, man.
Beauty. Alright, we're still out here fishing with the boys. Majority of the boats are down there. The weighing boat right here. We're gonna make our way to this little island over yonder. Hopes of a big fish. Ain't that right? And then if we do catch a big fish, we're gonna put her in the live well that I'm sitting on. And hopefully we win. It's just a fun tournament today. It's not for any cash, but maybe a little trophy or something. So it'll be pretty neat. All right, anyways, we gotta get back to it.
So there. Stick to my full deck.
All right, we're on the first of the day, guys. Well, second. Oh, third technically. But she's a nice size. Caught her on the spinnerbait right there. There it is. And we're gonna put it in the cooler, weigh it at the tournament because we don't know how much weight's gonna win it. A little snack break. Coming down the channel. We're gonna switch moose spots real quick. All the way down yonder. See if we can't get anything. We're on the board again. Another rock bass. It's not gonna do it.
No, keep that.
Seriously?
Largest panfish.
Category.
No, that's not big enough.
Maybe.
No.
You might get third.
Nah. We got one in the live well.
It's not bad.
He's alright. We'll keep fishing.
15.
31.6.
Did you guys weigh the big one?
600.
Yeah.
What'd you get on the weight of the big one?
I got it at 1.4.
Yeah,
I don't know.
900 grams.
That's what my scale
So whatever
said.
that
Scale's probably
conversion
off.
is, that's
That's about right.
yeah. Alright, you want it? Oh, we
Alright, live well's empty. Keep fishing. Waiting at the weigh-in boat.
That's a nice little boat.
First place so far, boys. Hey? First place so far.
Yeah?
Huh?
Told you. Well, in that boat.
Yeah, we're doing it. So
Someone else could catch a big one from a different boat.
yeah, that's true. So we're gonna keep fishing. Boat's leaving. We'll hopefully see him later.
I want to throw a swim bait.
All right, we've moved back into this little cove. Leads to the top. Little cold spring that leads out just down there. Fishing these logs. Haley's got one in the bucket. See if we can't catch one in here. We're now fishing the drop shot using X-Zone lures. Still catching these little largies. Get them back. Anyways, but this is the drop shot rig we're using. Minus all the line tangled around. All right, it's about an hour later, and we're fishing down in this creek. Haley's throwing the whipper plopper here, wherever it is, and he's caught himself a 3-pounder, boys. Look at that! Holy, sweet live release on her. It's been a good day. Was in first. Yeah, we're gonna keep fishing, but it's been pretty slow, to say the least. All right, the boys are all finished. We're gonna go to weigh-in. We're gonna see if there's any burgers, chips, pop, and we're gonna go check it out. Boys are exhausted. Long day, long hot day. That's right. So, how'd we do today?
Not so good. A couple little largies here and there, and that's about it. Jake caught a nice 1.4 at the start of the day. Slowed right down. But yeah, it's the end of the day now.
Back to the point.